The Proverbs of Solomon. A wise son brings joy to his father, but a foolish son grief to his mother. 일 같은 treasures are of no value, but righteousness delivers from death. The Lord does not let the righteous go hungry, but thwarts the carrying of the wicked. Lazy hands make a man poor, but diligent hands bring wealth. He who gathers crops in summer is a wise son, but he who sleeps during harvest is a disgraceful son. Blessings crown the head of the righteous, but the violence overwhelms the mouth of the wicked. The memory of the righteous will be blessing, but the name of the wicked will rot. The wise in heart accept commands, but chattering fools comes to ruin. The man of integrity walks securely, but he who takes a crooked path will be found out. He who winks maliciously causes grief, and a chattering fool comes to ruin. The mouth of the righteous is a fountain of life, but the violence overwhelms the mouth of the wicked. Hatred stirs up dissension, but love covers over all wrongs. Wisdom is found on his lips of the discerning, but a rod is for the bag of him who lacks judgment. Wise man stores up knowledge, but the mouth of the fool invites ruin. The wealth of the rich is their fortified city, but poverty is the ruin of the poor. The wages of the righteous bring them life, but the income of the wicked brings them punishment. He who heeds discipline shows the way to life, but whoever ignores correction leads others astray. He who conceals his hatred has lying lips, and whoever spreads slander is a fool. When words are many, son is not absent, but he who holds his tongue is wise. The tongue of the righteous is a choice silver, but the heart of the wicked is a little value. The lips of the righteous nourish many, but fools die for lack of judgment. The blessing of the Lord brings wealth, and he adds no trouble to it. A fool finds pleasures in evil conduct, but a man of understanding delights in wisdom. What the wicked dread will overtake him. What the righteous desire will be granted. When the storm has swept by, the wicked are gone, but the righteous stand firm forever. As vinegar to the teeth and smoke to the eyes, so is a sluggard to those who send him. The fear of the Lord adds length to life, but the years of the wicked are cut short. The prospect of the righteous is joy, but the hopes of the wicked come to nothing. The way of the Lord is a refuge for the righteous, but it is ruin of those who do evil. The righteous will never be uprooted, but the wicked will not remain in the land. The mouth of the righteous bring forth wisdom, but a perverse tongue will be cut out. The lips of the righteous know what is fitting, but the mouth of the wicked only what is perverse. Appreciate it, subscribe. Proverbs chapter 10. Vocabularies. Proverbs. 격언. chattering, chattering, 잡담하는. craving, 욕망, craving, 욕망. folly, folly, 어리석음. 일같은, 부정한 수단으로 얻은. illgotten, 일같은. integrity, 성실. integrity, integrity, 성실. malicious, 부당하게. malicious, reward, 보상. thwart, 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 좌절시키다. 좌절시키다. righteousness, 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 옳은 행동, 공의, 옳은 행동, 공의. undisciplined, 규율 없는. violence, violence, 폭력. wicked, 사악한. wicked, wicked. come to ruin, 파멸에 이르다. find out, 발견하다. call out, 큰 소리로 부르다 혹은 부르다. call out, bring joy to, bring joyto, 뭐뭐에게 기쁨을 주다. correction, correction, 징계, 벌. dissension, 불화, dissension, dissension, 불화, 불화. dread, dread, 두려워하다. dread, dread. fortify, 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 강화시키다. nourish, 키우다, 육성하다. nourish, nourish, 키우다, 육성하다. prospect, 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 기대. refuge, refuge, 피난처. slander, 중상 비방. slander. sluggard, 게으른 자. sluggard. uproot, 이동시키다. uproot, uproot. vinegar, 식초. lead A astray. A를 나쁜 길로 끌다. hold one's tongue. 혀를 제어하다. sweep by. 휙쓸어가다. 휩쓸다. sweep by. come to nothing. 수포로 돌아가다. cometonothing. come to nothing. appreciate, subscribe it.